Hello everyone, welcome to Swadhyay. Let's learn. Let's practice reading short sounds of vowels. A, E, I, O, A. Let's read again. A, E, I, O, A. N, A, P, nap. N, E, T, net. N, I, B, nib. N, O, D, nod. N, A, N, none. Nap, net, nib. Nod, none. L, A, P, lap, lap. L, E, G, leg. L, I, D, lid. L, O, G, log. L, A, N, Ch, lunch. L, A, N, Ch, lunch. Lap, leg, lid, log, lunch. M, A, P, map. M, E, N, men. M, I, X, mix. M, O, P, mop, mop. M, A, D, mud. Map, men, mix. Mop, mud. D, A, M, dam. D, E, N, den. D, E G dig. D O G dog. D A K duck. Dam, den, dig, dog, duck. T A P tap. T E N ten. T E N tin. T O T dot. T A B tub. Tap, ten, tin, dot, tub. G A P gap. G E T get. G I F T gift. G O D God. G A N gun. Gap, get, gift, got, gun. Hope this video was useful for you. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up and write to us in the comment section below. For more such videos, subscribe, like and share Swadhyay. Let's learn. Press the bell icon and stay connected with us. Thank you.